Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Hippo Home mobile app works and whether it's worth using for managing home maintenance, repairs, and improvement tasks. Hippo Home is designed to help homeowners stay on top of routine maintenance and repair needs. The app offers personalized home care plans, reminders for tasks like HVAC servicing or smoke detector checks, and recommendations based on your specific property details. Users can also request quotes from qualified service pros and track past or upcoming home projects directly in the app. One major advantage is how the app centralizes all home maintenance needs. From seasonal upkeep to unexpected issues, users get guided checklists and tips tailored to their location and property type. Hippo Home also integrates with smart home systems and devices, allowing for real-time updates and alerts when something needs attention. Another helpful feature is the ability to document and store appliance info, home systems, and warranty details in one place. This makes it easier to manage service requests or provide accurate information to contractors. The app's design is clean, and navigation is straightforward, especially for first-time users. However, there are some drawbacks. Hippo Home is currently most beneficial for users who already have a Hippo insurance policy, since some premium features are limited outside that network. Also, availability of local contractors and quote requests may vary depending on your region. Some users have also noted that integration with smart devices is still improving and may not be fully reliable. Overall, Hippo Home is a valuable tool for proactive homeowners who want to manage their property more efficiently. Its full potential is best unlocked when used alongside Hippo's insurance services. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or other inquiries, refer to the description for email.